Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your iPhone. Now for us to proceed with this one right here, I want you to go ahead and select an app. Say for example Netflix right here. I'm going to go ahead and long press on this one, and then you're going to go ahead and select require Face ID. So I'm going to click that one, and you have the second option right here, hide and require Face ID. So that's what we're going to do. And yeah, here's something that's going to explain what is going to happen if you're going to click the hide app. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to click this. All right, Netflix is now hidden. Now, if you say, for example, search it here, you are going to see that the application is no longer here. It's not going to appear in the top hits, suggestions, or any other. So say for example, if we head over here to the app library and you type here Netflix, it's not going to appear as well. So what we're going to do is just basically scroll down, and you should be able to see here hidden. Go ahead and click that one, and it's going to require Face ID. And the moment the Face ID works, you can see the application out here. So you can go ahead and click it in order to open it. And yeah, that basically is how you're going to hide apps here on your iPhone.